This video walks you through how to remove a coupon from a test subscription in Stripe. They start by signing in to your Stripe dashboard. Before opening the subscription, make sure test mode is enabled. This matters because you are working with a test subscription, and the dashboard needs to be showing test data rather than live data. If test mode is not on, the subscription you need may not appear, or you may end up looking at the wrong records. With test mode enabled, go to subscriptions. From there, open the test subscription that has the coupon applied. Once the subscription details page is open, take a moment to confirm that you are on the correct subscription before making any changes. You should be looking at the active subscription record where the discount is currently attached. Next, click Update Subscription. This opens the editing view for the subscription and gives you access to the fields that control pricing, discounts, and other subscription settings. After the update screen appears, scroll down until you reach the subscription options section. If that section is collapsed, expand it so you can see the available settings inside it. In subscription options, look for the coupon setting. To remove the applied coupon, clear the coupons checkbox. This action removes the coupon from the subscription update you are preparing. Be careful not to change any other settings on this screen unless you intend to, since the update form can include several subscription controls in the same place. After clearing the coupon, review the subscription summary before saving. The summary should reflect the change you just made, and the discount should no longer appear there. This is the point where you confirm that the coupon has actually been removed from the pending update, rather than just cleared from the options section without affecting the summary. Once the summary shows that the discount is gone, click Update Subscription again to save the change. Stripe may take a brief moment to process the update. After it finishes, you will be returned to the subscription details page or shown the updated subscription information. To verify the result, return to the subscription details page if you are not already there and check the subscription again. Confirm that no coupon is applied and that the discount is no longer listed on the subscription. This final check helps make sure the update was saved correctly in test mode and that the subscription no longer includes the coupon you removed. The coupon has now been removed from the test subscription in Stripe.